Chapter 8 Mumbai, the Gateway of India. Learning Objectives. We will learn about Mumbai, climate, transport, industries, and other features of Mumbai. Mumbai is located on the coast of the Arabian Sea. Previously, Mumbai was known as Bombay. It is the capital of Maharashtra. All the important offices of the state government are located here. Climate. Mumbai is a coastal city. It has a moderate temperature with a high level of humidity. It receives heavy rainfall during the monsoon that causes waterlogging. The summer is bearable and the winter is pleasant. Transport. Mumbai is well connected by rail, road and air with all the important places of the country. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus or CST and the Lokmanya Tilak Terminus are the most important railway stations of Mumbai. The public transport system includes the best Bombay Electric Supply and Transport Company, buses, local trains and metro rails connecting almost every nook and corner of the city. The Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport connects all the major cities of India as well as of the world. Mumbai also have the largest seaport of India. Ships from all over the world come to Mumbai port. Industry. Mumbai is known as the financial capital of India. The industries in the city manufacture textiles, oil, electronic goods and medicines. Crude oil is extracted from the Bombay High. It is a platform in the sea from where oil is drilled out from the sea floor. The Bhabha Atomic Research Centre or BARC, situated at Trombay in Mumbai, is the first atomic reactor of the country. It was dedicated in the memory of Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, the father of the Indian nuclear program. The Hindi film and television industry, known as the Bollywood, is also located in Mumbai. Places of tourist interest. There are a lot of interesting places to visit in Mumbai. The Gateway of India is one of the most important monuments and tourist spots of Mumbai. It was built to commemorate the visit of the King and Queen of England in 1911. The SL World Theme Park is a famous amusement park located in Gorai, Mumbai. The Kamla Nehru Park is located at the top of the Malabar Hills. Some other interesting places to visit are the Nehru Science Centre, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya, Taraporiwala Aquarium, etc. Some famous places of worship like the Siddhi Vinayak Temple, Haji Ali Dargah, St. Thomas Cathedral, Vakeshwar Temple, etc. are situated here. Some other tourist attractions are the Marine Drive is a beautiful drive along the sea. The Bandra-Worli Sea Link is an engineering marvel. It is a 126-meter high and 5.6 kilometer long bridge over the open sea connecting Bandra and Worli. The Juhu and Chapati are famous beaches where people go for picnics. The Elephanta Caves, situated in the Elephanta Island off the coast of Mumbai, are famous for ancient rock-cut temples. The Nariman Point is the nerve center of commercial activities of Mumbai. It is one of the most expensive office locations of the world. It is a business center dotted with many high-rise modern buildings. It is often called the Manhattan of Mumbai. Zaveri Bazaar, Crawford Market, Fashion Street, etc. are some of the other shopping centers of the city. Culture. People of Mumbai are called Mumbaikars. The city has a composite culture. Marathi is the main language here, although Hindi and Gujarati are also widely spoken. The main festival of Mumbai is Ganesh Chaturthi. Since the city has a mixed population, They celebrate all other important festivals. Vada pav, pav bhaji and bhel puri are popular local snacks. In desserts, they love to enjoy Shrikhand and Puran Poli. Let's know. In 1853, the first passenger train in India ran between Bombay or Mumbai and Thane. Mind map. Mumbai. Location: located on the coast of the Arabian Sea. Climate: moderate temperature. Terminus, airport and port: Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus and Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport and Mumbai Port. Industries: Bombay High Bhabha Atomic Research Centre, Bollywood. Monuments: Gateway of India. Places of worship: Siddhi Vinayak Temple, Haji Ali Dargah. Market: Crawford Market, Zaveri Bazaar. Beaches: Marine Drive, Juhu, Chapati.